In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ExpressVPN on mobile devices. Using a VPN on your phone or tablet helps protect your data before it leaves your device, which is especially useful when you're connected to public Wi-Fi in places like airports, hotels, or coffee shops. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to install the app, sign in, allow the required permissions, choose a server, adjust a useful performance setting, and then verify that everything is working correctly. To begin, download the official ExpressVPN app from your device's app store. If you're on an iPhone or iPad, open the App Store, search for ExpressVPN, and select the app called ExpressVPN VPN Fast and Secure. Then tap Get or the Cloud download icon. If you're using an Android phone or tablet, open the Google Play Store, search for ExpressVPN, choose the official app published by ExpressVPN, and tap Install. Once the app is installed, open it and tap Sign In. By default, you'll see the usual sign-in fields, but for a quicker setup on mobile, tap Sign In with QR code. Then, on your computer, open a browser and go to the ExpressVPN sign-in page. After logging in there, open the section for setting up other devices, choose Phone and Tablet, and display the QR code on your screen. Point your mobile device at that code to scan it, and the app should sign you in automatically. After that, the app will ask for permission to set up VPN access on your device. Tap Continue, then approve the system message by selecting Allow or OK. Depending on your phone, you may need to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. You may also be asked about crash reports and notifications. Choose the options you prefer to finish setup. Now you're ready to connect. On the main screen, ExpressVPN will usually suggest a smart location, which is optimized for speed. If you want a different location, tap the three dots next to the current location and browse through the recommended list or all available locations. Tap the city or country you want, then press the large power button in the center of the screen. After a moment, the app will show that you're connected. If you're using an older phone or you notice battery drain, open the Options or Profile tab, go into Settings, then Protocol, change it from Automatic to Lightway UDP, and under the Advanced Lightway options, switch the encryption cipher to ChaCha20. This can improve efficiency on some mobile devices. Finally, keep the VPN connected, open a private browsing window in Safari or Chrome, and visit the ExpressVPN IP check page.